Okay, so normally everybody should be in. So what? Wait, why we don't see what I have on the screen? Yes, maybe I should do. Okay. So one of the ideas is that we will give the people that are competing for the awards, if you can get close to here. Hello guys. Yes. Yes. Some people are missing. Okay. Okay, that's no problem. So, wait. Stay there. So, what we will do is that you will have around 1 minute to just say, okay, my project is that, blah 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 blah. Vote for me, so that then after you will go into the room, you install yourself there, and then in 5 minutes we come and. But like that, you get a chance that everybody knows that what you are doing. So, Sunburst, it's not there, too bad. Too bad. Racking Claude, Marcus, do you...
I thought, so I only have a video of 8 minutes. That
okay, you have a video. So I can... Racking Claude, this is a guy from Russia that is doing deployment of application a bit like seaside hosting in 2-3 clicks and things like that. He asked us if we can show the video, so Marcus will show the video. So don't worry, Marcus is not Michael. Fratch.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, Fratch, so in few words, it's Scratch. Okay, Fratch is a Scratch. You know, Scratch is a programming, visual programming language. So I port Scratch because it is developed in Squeak 2.8 or something like that. And I port it in Faro 2.0. And by the way, I improve the coding, how to develop the blocks, and it is possible to develop our own blocks easily. With only a pragma, you can code your blocks. And so I will show you the video, a 3-minute video, and I developed small blocks to control. Thank you. To control a robot.
Okay. Thanks, Jamie. So, group. Guillermo.
Okay, so I don't know if you ever had a broken image, or if you ever were touching the debugger and you broke it and then you couldn't do anything else. So what I am using is OS. That is something I am working on for my PhD, and that lets you actually manipulate an image like an object, and then you can load a maybe broken image and fix it and restart it, so you can continue with your work and recover all your work. Or maybe if you break a debugger, instead of getting some weird error and getting a completely useless image, then you go back to another kernel that lets you browse and debug and introspect the other image and fix it. And then go back and fix it again and continue. Thanks.
Okay, thanks, Guillermo. Graphite. Graffiti. Okay, sorry, I'm tired.
Hi guys, I'm Daniel. I work for Object Profile, and Graffiti is a tool on top of Rosal that works for drawing charts and diagrams, similar to IC in Moose. In fact, I'm working with Tudor. The big thing of IC of Graffiti over IC is that Graffiti uses all the functionalities in Rosal to do the charts, all the interactions, all that things. In fact, it's already integrated in Moose, in the last version of Moose, the 4.8. I have a screencast, and I'll show it to you if you want, and some examples. So you see the script is very clean, and that's it.
Thanks. Okay. Gadget profiler.
Well, I'm in the University of Chile, and I built a framework for profilers. My idea is that if you don't know what is going on with your program, well, you need a profiler that, with dynamic analysis, will allow you to know a lot more than you can with any other tool. Well, this allows you to easily make your own profiler to measure exactly what you want, and you can extend it the way that you prefer. Do you want to collect the data of this way, another way, or maybe you create another one? That's the idea. Do a tool that you can easily use for, I don't know. And that's the idea.
Thanks, Alessandro. Sure. Epicea. Martin.
Hello. Well, Epicea is part of my PhD work. I started 1 year ago, more or less, and it's about storing changes in a more reified way than now. That, for example, in the changes file in Faro, each code change that you do is logged as a chunk that is a file out of the definition of the class definition, for example. And I am working in storing with more context information of the change. For example, if the change is triggered by a Monticello load, you can see it as a tree. You can annotate changes with additional custom information, and this has a more reified model of changes.
Thanks.
Bye.
Thanks, Martin. Up. André.
So, the moldable debugger framework aims to be a framework for working and creating domain-specific debuggers. It allows you to create multiple ones, have them at the same time in the image, switch between them, and yeah. And if you come to see me, I'll show you a few cool debuggers, and we can build a few ones by ourselves.
Okay, so we will create our own profiler and our own debugger. Okay. Amber.
Amber is a small talk that compiles to JavaScript. Maybe who knows Amber? Okay, so this is useless. No. I'm taking it. So I will show you what's new in Amber. We are getting close to stable release 1.0 with a lot of new exciting features like an interpreter written in Amber itself. So there is no JavaScript involved anymore, and we'll see what we can do with that. We have a totally new IDE with a lot of keyboard shortcuts and stuff like that.
Thanks, Nicolas. Secret Office.
Hello, everyone. My name is Michael Tran. I'm the developer of Secret Office. It's the world premiere personal information management software with built-in security features which help to protect your secret information against eavesdropping. As you know, recently we know that the U.S. National Security Agency eavesdropped on many U.S. citizens. Eavesdropped on your emails, on your notes, on everything. So it's really a non-secure society. So you need secret office.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Memory profiler.
You do both? Well, I didn't know that I was going to present this. Alexandra submit this. Well, Memory Profiler is an actual implementation of extension of Gadget Profiler that shows how it is easy to build custom profilers that measure something like memory and like gives you a visualization. It's like, oh, if I can do that, I can do everything. So I'm going to like present it like a part of Gadget Profiler.
Okay. But you will have 2 slots for yourself in competition?
That means he has
More chance.
Yeah, I'm not sure that this is a more chance because it will be difficult, you know.
I'm just one.
Hello everybody, my name is Milton. I've been working in Sunburst, and Sunburst is a tool that you can use to visualize the trees, and this is the first objective of this project. So you can get the entire tree in a simple, in a compact view. So you can get more information about this tree. And that is all, I think. So thank you very much.
So what we will, so now I suggest the award people to take, you go into the office there. So we change rooms because the room that we planned was too small, so they changed the table and things like that. So what I suggest is that go there, we will arrive, we will take 10 minutes, and in 10 minutes we arrive like that, you set up, and okay? So,
For the drinks.
hmm?
For the drinks. Yes.
Later, you know, you should.
No,
They are really good. I saw them, don't worry, they look really good. You will have